Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. So today is a wheel cleaning video. So we're gonna test a product out on the car behind me. It has about 5,000 kilometers worth of brake dust on it, so it will be a pretty good test for the wheel cleaner. So the wheel cleaner of today is wheel cleaner and iron remover from Nanolex. I have a little tester over here, of about 200 milliliters, so it will be enough to test it for me, and then we will see if I buy it or not, if I'm gonna use it or not. It stinks very hard, like every acid wheel cleaner. It is an acid wheel cleaner, but they claim it is not that aggressive as a normal wheel cleaner, but it should do the same job, so I'm very curious about that. It should turn a red color when there is iron on the paint. You can use it on paint surfaces also, so on the paint of the car. I have painted wheels, so we're gonna use it on that. I'm just gonna spray the wheel with it. I'm gonna let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it off with a pressure washer. After that, I'm going to see how much of brake dust it did remove. If it doesn't remove everything, I'm going to agitate the wheels, and then they should be perfectly clean. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels, how dirty they really are, and then we will start with this product. But these are the wheels we're going to clean, so to give you guys a perspective, because they look pretty decent on camera. So that's the difference. So they look clean on camera, but they aren't clean. So we're gonna spray them with the wheel cleaner and we will see the result. So the wheels are cold to the touch, never sprayed in direct sunlight. So you can see it bleeding, so we're gonna spray it off and see how well it did perform. But you can see there was a lot of iron on the wheels. So put you guys back here. So I'm done spraying the wheel now, and it isn't fully clean. You can see there is still a lot of brake dust on there. So actually I'm not that impressed with the product, because this is the back wheel, and I've seen some wheel cleaners do better on the front wheels, which have more brake dust on them than the rear wheels. So I'm a bit disappointed in this product, but I'm just gonna agitate it, clean it off. You can see that it still turns purple, so it didn't remove everything from the first time. Some spray it in again, very good that you can see that it still turns purple. You can still see the wheels bleed on the inside there, and on the rotors, and on the inside of the wheels here, and then a bit on the outside and on the brakes, of course. But it didn't remove everything from the first time. Okay, so this will be the end of the video with the wheel cleaner and iron remover from Nanolex. It is not the best wheel cleaner out there in my opinion, but test it out for yourself, of course. It is a very bad smelling product. It is a non-dilutable product. It is slick to use, so it feels very safe to work with, which is a big plus, of course. It works very quick. The iron turns red very quick, so also awesome. So that will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, and I see you guys on the next one. Ciao!